Thanks for purchasing the GhostBed Massaging Neck Pillow. The pillow features a removable and washable cover, which makes cleaning and care easy. First, unzip the cover. Now, starting on the side opposite to the operation panel, gently pull the foam out of the cover. Do the same on the other side, taking care around the operation panel and wires. The fabric will be fastened to the operation panel. Gently pull the operation panel out of the foam just slightly and then apply some pressure along the plastic connector tabs to fully detach the cover. Zip the cover back up and it's ready to be washed. We recommend washing it in cold water on a gentle cycle and then air drying it. Make sure the cover is completely dry before putting it back on. Gently push the operation panel back inside the foam. Starting on the side with the operation panel, slide the foam back into the cover. You may need to gently stretch the cover to do this. Press around the edges of the operation panel until the connector tabs click into place. Zip it back up and you're ready for your next massage. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.